Hey guys, welcome to IDS Competitive World. Are you ready to test your environment and ecology knowledge and boost your exam preparation? In this video, we will go through some important MCQs on environment and ecology, perfect for state PSC, SSC CGL, RRB NTPC, Group D, RRB JE, and other competitive exams. All these questions were taken from previous year's exam papers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YDS Competitive World. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Let's start with the first question. Identify the correct option from the following about the proportion of different gases in biogas. Option A. Methane greater than carbon dioxide greater than nitrogen. Option B. Methane greater than nitrogen greater than carbon dioxide. Option C. Methane greater than oxygen greater than carbon monoxide. Option D. Nitrogen greater than methane greater than carbon dioxide. Option E. Methane greater than carbon dioxide greater than nitrogen is the correct answer. Second question. With reference to black tigers, which of the following statements are correct? 1. They are also referred to as monalistic tigers. 2. In India, they are found only in Simlipal Tiger Reserve in Orissa. Select the answer using the code given below. Option E, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Option C, both 1 and 2 are correct answer. Third question. Which one among the following statements with regard to the United Nations Climate Change Conference COP28 is not correct? Option E. The global stocktake is the central outcome of COP28. Option B. It recognized the needs to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Option C. It directed the developing countries to lead the transition away from the fossil fuel. Option D. It emphasized accelerated phase down of coal power. Option C. It directed the developing countries to lead the transition away from fossil fuel is the correct answer. Fourth question. What is the percentage weightage assigned to forest and ecology in the devolution formula given by the 15th Finance Commission of India for sharing of union tax revenue with the states? Option A 10%, option B 15%, option C 7.5%, option D 2.5%. Option E 10% is the correct answer. Fifth question. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, which one of the following is the largest source of sulfur dioxide emission? Option E. Locomotives using fossil fuels. Option B. Ships using fossil fuels. Option C. Extraction of metals from ores. Option D. Power plants using fossil fuels. Option D. Power plants using fossil fuels is the correct answer. Sixth question. Which greenhouse gas has maximum average residence time in the atmosphere? Option E. Chlorofluorocarbon. Option B. Methane. Option C. Nitrous oxide. Option D. Water vapor. Option E. Chlorofluorocarbon is the correct answer. Seventh question. Ecotone is a. Option E. diversified ecosystem. Option B, transitional ecosystem. Option C, transparent ecosystem. Option D, stagnation ecosystem. Option B, transitional ecosystem is the correct answer. Eighth question. The process of degradation of humus by some microorganisms and release of inorganic nutrients is known as option E, eutrophication. Option B, mineralization. Option C, humification. Option D, stratification. Option B, mineralization is the correct answer. Ninth question. The nutrients enrichment of water in a lake to support the plants and animals' life is called option E, biomagnification. Option B, eutrophication. Option C, water treatment. Option D, sanitary landfills. Option B, eutrophication is the correct answer. Then the question. Depletion of ozone layer is due to oxides of which of the following? Option A, carbon. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, phosphorus. Option D, none of the above. Option B, nitrogen is the correct answer. 11th question. The maximum number of national parks are located in option A, Karnataka. Option B, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Option D, Madhya Pradesh. Option D, Madhya Pradesh is the correct answer. 12th question. The interaction in which one organism is benefited and the other is neither harmed nor benefited is called option A, parasitism. Option B, camouflage. Option C, commensalism. Option D, competition. Option C, commensalism is the correct answer. 13th question. The term social forestry was given by whom? Option A, Nestoby. Option B, Westoby. Option C, Gestoby. Option D, Hestoby. Option B, Westoby is the correct answer. Fourteenth question. The Wildlife Protection Amendment Act 2006 provided the provision to constitute dash under Section 38L Chapter 4B. Option E, National Tiger Conservation Authority. Option B, Central Zoo Authority. Option C, National Board of Wildlife. Option D, Community Reserve. Option E, National Tiger Conservation Authority is the correct answer. 15th question. Which pollution causes itchy disease in human beings? Option E, mercury pollution. Option B, cadmium pollution. Option C, arsenic pollution. Option D, nitrates pollution. Option B, cadmium pollution is the correct answer. 16th question. The area that acts as a boundary nor a transition zone between ecosystem is known as option A, ecosphere. Option B, eco-boundary. Option C, eco-twin. Option D, ecotone. Option D, ecotone is the correct answer. 17th question. Which of the following regions of our country is known as hotspot of biodiversity? Option A, Thar Desert. Option B, Western Ghats. Option C, Eastern Ghats. Option D, Deccan Plateau. Option B, Western Ghats is the correct answer. 18th question. In the context of environment science, what does the term observative capacity refers to? Option A, the ability of an ecosystem to produce renewable resources. Option B, the maximum amount of pollutants an ecosystem can process and neutralize without harmful effects. Option C, the capacity of a species to adapt the environmental changes quantified by the rate of population growth. Option D, the maximum population size of a particular species that an environment can sustain indefinitely without being degraded. Option B, the maximum amount of pollutants an ecosystem can process and neutralize without harmful effects is the correct answer. 90th question. Which of the following are the major contaminants from industries and household that causes cultural eutrophication? Option A, chlorine and iodine. Option B, mercury and nitrates. Option C, nitrates and phosphates. Option D, phosphates and ammonium. Option C, nitrates and phosphates is the correct answer. Here comes the last question for this section. 20th question. What does the term carrying capacity of an environment refers to? Option A, the maximum amount of resources that an environment can produce. Option B, the maximum population an environment can sustain without being degraded. Option C, the maximum amount of waste an environment can process. Option D, the maximum area an environment can provide for species to live. Option B, the maximum population an environment can sustain without being degraded is the correct answer. That's it for today's MCQs on environment and ecology. All these questions were taken from previous year's exam papers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to YDS Competitive World. And I will be back with more important questions in the next video. Thank you for watching.